Hi, it's Aviva from Elementor. Thank you for purchasing Elementor Pro. Before we install it, it's important to note that Elementor Pro is an extension of Elementor. This means that Elementor Pro won't work if you don't first install the free version of Elementor. Let's go ahead and install and activate Elementor Pro. If you haven't already, download Elementor Pro from your purchase confirmation page or from the My Account page. Once it's downloaded, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the menu, click Plugins, Add New. Then click Upload Plugin. Choose the Elementor Pro zip file and click Install Now, and then click Activate Plugin. Next, click Connect and Activate to get updates, premium support, and access to the template library. Click Activate one last time, and you're all set. Now you can go to Getting Started, watch the video, and create your first page. For more helpful resources, subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our Facebook community group, and check out our knowledge base.